We'll be looking at data validation and the various options. Now, what is data validation? Data validation allows you to enter only that data in a cell or a range of cells that satisfies a criteria. We have 5 columns here and 5 different data validation options. In column A, data validation allows you to create a drop-down list for input into cells. You see a triangle indicating the drop-down, and here you have the items in that list. For those cells selected, you can only take from what is in the list that you have created. Any attempt to type anything other than what is in that list will give you an error message. In column B, data validation is for text that begins with A. So any text you try and type that does not begin with the letter A will also give an error message. Column C, we use data validation to specify that only text can be input into these cells. If I try and type a number, it will also give me an error message. Note that in C3 we have 12 apples. When you combine numbers and text, Excel recognizes that input as a text and not number. In column D, we have indicated that we don't want to have duplicate numbers. So we have 2, 4, 3, 44, 21. If I try and type 2, which has already been input previously, it will give me an error message because I've specified that no duplicates. And in column E, we specify that we only allow odd numbers to be entered. So we have 3, 5, 79, 55 and 45. Trying to type any even number will also give a message. So these are just some of the ways you can use data validation. When you are creating a list, however, it is always best to make sure your input or where you are getting your list from is part of a table, so that as you update that table, the options under your list will also expand based on the input in your table.